Hello, good afternoon, Internet. Today I want to talk about something small, and this is about the US and Kenya. You see, America is a very big economy, very advanced, and they call it a superpower. What does that mean? They have the capacity to control the diseases and all the epidemics that happen. They can build the state-of-the-art quarantine facilities, they can train their own staff and do everything. But that is not how pandemics are being managed. There must be international cooperation and partnership. International organizations such as WHO must work with all the member states to ensure that diseases and also surveillance and health security information is shared across border, and also quarantine, contact tracing, and all those factors that affect disease spread are well contained within within the standards that have been proven to be working by research and stuff like that. So the fact that America wants to support Kenya to build a quarantine facility in Kenya is a good thing. But the manner in which they want to do it and the attitude is totally off. You cannot just disrespect a member state like Kenya and say that America's security comes first beyond everything else, and therefore no suspected case, including the Americans themselves, that will be allowed in their country, and instead America will support Kenya to transfer all the risks to Africa. That is unacceptable. Even you as a person, there are some things that you might be in need of, but the manner in which they are presented to you in form of help or partnership insinuate very obviously that that is actually, for lack of a good word, it's actually disrespect, nothing else. It's just like disrespect. The sovereignty of each member state must be respected. We must be equal partners, and we must work together, but not to work as if we are the inferior parties in this case. And therefore, whatever Kenyans can do to really ridicule this process, make sure it stops. Let us not close our borders, but let us also not be used as guinea pigs. At the same time, let our leaders not take advantage of this situation to mint any money that comes from outside in the name of building our health security.